Welcome to EdLearn's video on teaching children how to read efficiently and effectively through proven scientific methods. Reading enlightens minds. Did you know? Reading for 6 minutes a day reduces stress by 68%. Also, read 20 minutes a day and you will read 1.8 million words a year. So why wait to let your child read? Reading is a complex cognitive process which involves two essential skills of language comprehension, that is, to make meaning of language and being able to read the words accurately and fluently. To understand further, language comprehension is a process of understanding the words, phrases, and make meaning. So when you say, "Give me an apple," you expect a person to get you an apple and not a banana. Now the question is how to develop language comprehension. It will only happen when you give ample of exposure of that language, which will happen through hearing that language, conversation, and reading aloud stories. It is a must to read to your child every day. Word decoding is acquired through mastery of phonics and sight words like and the.